Hi nail friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing some Madam Glam gel polish. So let's get right into the video. Madam Glam reached out to me to test out some of their products, and these are the gel polishes I chose. It comes with a base coat and a non-wipe top coat. Here we have confetti, which is this beautiful glitter gel polish. Here is the swatch so you can get a better idea of what it looks like. I did one coat of this glitter. Then we have navy blue. I initially wanted a black gel polish, but it was out of stock, so that is why I chose the navy blue. And this color reached full opacity on 2 coats. Then we have Parisian Night, which is this multicolored 5D cat eye gel polish. And here we have light beige builder gel. And they also sent a magnet for the 5D cat eye gel polish. So I apply some sunscreen because I'm going to be in the lamp quite a bit for this design. Now I'm applying my navy blue gel polish over some dip powder. If you'd like to see this dip application and how I file my nails into this shape, I'll leave a link in the cards and in the description below. So now I apply one layer of the navy blue. I'm not that good with gel polish application, and I'm doing it with my non-dominant hand, so I had to work really slow and it looked okay. So I reached full opacity on the first coat. However, if you're doing it on your natural nails, I think 2 coats would work, because when I did it on my swatch, it required 2 coats. Also, when doing it on natural nails, please ensure to apply your base coat first. This gel formula is really smooth and consistent. It's not thick at all, and I like how it's applied. It's really nice, and I cured for 30 seconds. Madam Glam also gave me a discount code to share with you guys for 30% discount on your order. Just use Cheraelsymone 30 at checkout. I'll leave all the information in the description below. Now I apply one layer of the cat eye gel polish to the nails. This color is really pretty, and it's a color shifting gel polish and really nice. So I applied my one layer and cured for 30 seconds. At the end of the video, I'll have a clip of the nails in natural lighting so y'all could see how beautiful this color really is. Now I apply my second layer, and I'm using my magnet to move the pigment in order to make the 5D cat eye effect work. Honestly, I don't know what I was really doing. I didn't think the pigment was moving a lot. I expected more movement. In the natural lighting, you could see it had a tad bit of, the cat eye effect. But I'm new to this, so I don't know if I did it correctly. I don't know if the magnet wasn't strong enough, but it still looked good, so I didn't mind. I was really intrigued by this 5D cat eye gel polish. So I did every other nail and cured, so it would limit the amount of time I had to place my hand in the lamp. This also ensured that the magnet wouldn't move the pigment of the nail right next to it as well, and only place my hand in the lamp like twice, because I did the pinky, middle and thumbnail first and then cured, and then I went back to do the ring and index finger. Then I applied my top coat and cured for 30 seconds. The top coat was really thin and smooth to work with. It reminded me of Gershon's top coat. I really like this formula. This one was really nice. Then I place some cuticle oil to rehydrate my hands and nails, and this is the finished look. So I really like this 5D cat eye. It's really pretty. And if you like this video, check out my other videos. Click the video to see on the screen, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys.